Hey guys, hope you are well. In today's video, I will show you how to add collaboration after posting. So let's get started. Open your Instagram and click on profile icon and then choose your post. And now tap on three dot icon. Click on edit and now click on tag people option. And now press on invite collaborators. And now search for the person that you want to collaborate. For example, I want to collaborate with this guy. After adding collaborator, click on sign icon. Click on sign icon. And that's all. If you found something useful in this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more video like this. And thanks for watching this video until the end.